Welcome to Science, Microorganisms, Friend and Foe, Part 2.
Here we would look at the protozoa. The singular form of protozoa is protozoan. Protozoa are animals which can be found in ponds, lakes, drains, dirty water, seawater, and even in damp soil. Examples being amoeba, entamoeba, plasmodium, and paramecium. And they are kind of dangerous. So the diseases that they cause are dysentery, malaria, which are at times, waterborne diseases or via mosquitoes. You can contract them. Ant amoeba also causes a disease specifically known as amoebic dysentery.
You can see amoeba over here and paramecium over here and entamoeba over here and plasmodium over here. Algae. Algae are large group of simple plant-like organisms. They do not have proper roots, stems, and leaves. Examples of algae are Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, blue-green algae, etc. Here you can see Spirogyra, blue-green algae, and Chlamydomonas, and over here you can see how algae looks on a lake. Some algae are unicellular, which means they have only one cell, and some are multicellular, which means they have many cells.
Hyphae. Well, it's actually pronounced as hyphae. And look at the picture. It's 100 micrometer zoom. So I think you really need a very powerful microscope or maybe an electron microscope to look at this. It looks like a tree with some dried branches, isn't it? These are fine threads of which fungi are made.
With that, we move to fungi. Fungi are organisms that do not have chlorophyll, and so they do not photosynthesize. Examples are yeast, molds, mushrooms, toadstools, etc. All fungi except yeast are made up of hyphae, about which we just talked. This is yeast, and this is toadstools, and these are actually paramecium over here, and these are mushrooms. Let's see the difference between toadstool and mushrooms.
Interesting. I'm sure many of you have seen old, maybe bread or cake of so many days which has been in a refrigerator or outside. So, what comes on the top is
Bread mold, and you can see rhizopus bacteria on this, fungi on this, and it actually looks like this under the microscope. Let's see the difference between toadstools and mushrooms. The name toadstool is generally given for toxic and inedible structures which look like mushrooms, whereas though some mushrooms are inedible, many are edible and non-toxic. That is the main difference, nothing else.
actually I like mushroom soup, but next time I'm going to think twice.
Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video, which is part 3 for the continuation of this chapter. Thank you.
Bye.